Storytelling has been a content marketing trend for the past few years. The idea, however, is nothing new since people were creating narratives long before writing existed. Storytelling is the process of describing a series of events to communicate something to your audience. The purpose can be to entertain, educate, or instill values. Internet has broadened the way we perceive storytelling by adding visuals to the equation. Today, visual storytelling is applied in UI/UX design to establish an emotional connection with users and provide the best user experience. In this video, we're going to explore visual storytelling as a design phenomenon. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to TemplateMonster's YouTube channel. Why is visual storytelling so effective? It's no secret that humans are visual creatures. The human brain dedicates 30% of the cortex to visual processing, compared with 8% for touch and 3% for hearing. Research suggests that people can remember over 2,000 pictures with at least 90% accuracy over a period of several days. So how does this correlate with visual storytelling? When it comes to web design, only 16% of users actually read the text on the web page word for word, while the other 79% prefer to scan. Heat maps support the idea by showing that users tend to scan and read in patterns. For speakers of left to right languages, those patterns are Z and F. Most people abandon a web page without scrolling through it at all. However, pages with images or videos are more likely to make the visitor stay longer. This is why it's crucial to structure your content and your visual storytelling in a way that matches how your users read. Here's how you can make your content fit the F and Z patterns for UI/UX design. Place your text in a central column or slightly left of center. Keep text to a maximum of around 75 characters per line. Limit the line length to improve a reader's level of comfort and encourage them to stay on the page and read more. To achieve a Z pattern, break up text with images, headings, and other elements. What's the goal of visual storytelling? From a marketing standpoint, visual storytelling should improve user experience and translate a clear brand message in a visual way. Depending on the brand strategy, the goal may be complex or simple. You can convey it all in one image or in a 20-second video. It should invoke emotion and stroke interest. In UI/UX design, visual storytelling is a graphic way of telling the users exactly what they need to hear through a combination of imagery, text, animation, and video that provide a clear understanding of how your website, app, or product helps them. All of this is based on user testing and research. Airbnb is one of the best examples of visual storytelling. Travel business was hit the most by the pandemic, so it's remarkable how Airbnb have found a way out. Their website perfectly answers the question, what does the user need to hear? The message is pretty simple here. If a user subscribes to their service, they can find great options for local traveling as well as lots of online experiences without leaving the comfort of their home. Airbnb uses storytelling to instill values like diversity and belonging, battling discrimination, etc. Apart from client-oriented storytelling, Airbnb caters to influencers, bloggers, travel brands, and Airbnb hosts. How to create an engaging, interactive story through storytelling. And now, let's take a look at how you can integrate visual storytelling into your project. Personalization. Make user a hero of the story. Make this story about them and not some abstract person. Whether it's based upon user input, for example, sites that first make you choose if you're a developer, marketer, or designer, or based upon complex, real-time data, this kind of interaction is effective to make users care about the topic or product. Gamification. Gamification somehow correlates with personalization. Still, it is based on a system of risk and reward. You want to find ways to make your story reward your users for performing certain tasks. On the most basic level, visuals that change, improve, or do something cool can be a great reward for simple tasks. After all, that's how many video games work. Complete a task, move on to the next level. Your website or app can do the same thing. Interactivity. Supply common actions with interactive elements. For example, to make the process of scrolling more interactive, use parallax scrolling. It's good for telling a linear story where the user simply scrolls down the website. Use a hover to reveal copy and scroll-triggered animations to add interactivity to specific parts of the story. Another aspect of interactivity is supplementing your story with visuals that respond to user actions. The visual reaction can be triggered by clicking, scrolling, or a more complex action like a form submission. Discoverability. Hiding secondary elements, Easter eggs, for users to discover can work for gaming or entertainment websites. However, this one is tricky. In terms of UX, you need to prioritize your content layout. Actions that are critical to completing user goals must be explicitly visible. Those that are more occasional can afford to be less visible or even hidden. Visual storytelling can elevate your brand and take your website's UX to the next level. Still, before you start to employ any of it, study your target audience. Map out the beginning, middle, and end of the experience. Approach it from the point of view of the user. The beginning is the stimulus of the customer journey. Somewhere in the middle, you'll engage with them, and the end is where they complete their final goal. And don't forget to do some A/B testing in the process. Okay, that's it for today's video. Visit TemplateMonster Marketplace for high-quality website templates and graphics resources. Become an author and start selling your own digital products and earn up to 70% commission. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on web design trends, Elementor tutorials, and industry news. See you in the next one.